Hi friends, today I am going to show you how to hack Subway Surfers by Lucky Patcher. Now first of all I am going to Lucky Patcher. Friends, I have hacked Subway Surf first only. So I'll just show you how to hack, but I won't hack. See, here you should go to the third option, open menu of patches. Here, create modified APK. Here, third option, APK rebuilt in app and level emulation. And now rebuild the app. It will take some time. Yeah, it's patching. So friends, I am having so many money and I am the top ranker in Subway Surfers. I have so many keys, so many money, and I have installed Subway Surfers first only. And I have unlocked every person in that and every costume by the help of keys. Now I will show you how to hack. The patching is going to be completed. Analyzing the results. Sorry friends, by mistakenly I went for the another link, sorry. Yeah, you can see here analyzing the results also completed. Now it is going to be opened. It is taking somewhat time. You should wait. Friends, Lucky Patcher app we can't get in Play Store. So you should, for this also, you should go to the Google and you should type Lucky Patcher APK download. There will be the links and you can download it. See, here we have got. Now we should go to the first option, go to file. Here we have got 5 options. In this you should go to install and uninstall. Friends, now I won't go for that because my game will be spoiled again. So I'll show you. You should go for install and uninstall. First, after that it will come uninstall. You should uninstall it. Again it will come as install. Then you add app and afterwards what you should do I'll show now. Okay friends? Yeah. See, here we have Subway Surfers. Yeah. I'm in Washington DC World 2. You can see here. Yeah, see friends. Now I'm going to the shop. After going to the shop, see, here there are my keys. You can see I'm having 5 lakhs 2,400 keys and I can't count the money because it's so much. You can see my hoverboards are 556. My head starts 79 and my score boosters are 60. Now I have upgraded all the instruments like jetpack, super sneakers, coin magnet, 2 into multiplier. Now I am going to the store. Here down you can see beside of the earn coins option we can see the store. Yeah, you should go to that. Here we can see this all. But for this you want money. As we have hacked this app, we don't want to pay money. So you directly see. Now I'm going to take a heap of keys. 110 keys means I will get 110 keys. For this you have to pay $0.82. But once see the magic. Yeah. Now see, after hacking that, you will get this option. We got this option because we have hacked this game. So now you should type auto repeat purchases with the current settings. The third option. We have got. Now we'll keep yes. Okay. See. We have getting the coins now itself. Watch. Yeah, we have got here 110 coins. See, if you have not saw, see again. There are 502510. If we add 110 coins, it will become 620. Means 502620.